guys, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2011 Mitsubishi Pajero, stock 6812. This ran from the 9th 2008 to the 8th 2014. It has a 4M41 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a 4M41 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 17-inch factory mega tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory mega tyre. Rear tailgate no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory mega tyre. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard one dent. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front 17-inch factory mega tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,